in the stock bird loft. With us having some eggs due to chip off in the next few days. This one especially is due to chip off probably in the next couple of days. We have purchased some of the nestbox mesh corner shields. We bought them from here, Jaws, Claws and Beaks. They do all sorts of pigeon products. They've actually got a website which I can put on to the end of the video. I'll just show you these shields, and then we'll get them put into the nest boxes. They're just more than anything just to help keep the corners of the nest boxes clear, because you can take them out, you can clean them down, keeps them mess free. So they just like that into the corner of the nest box, and it just keeps everything clear because it's plastic. You can take it out, wipe it down, all nice and clear. So we'll get these put in. Tomorrow I'll do a bit of an update on these eggs, especially like I said this one, because this one's the closest one out of all of them. So I'll just put these nestbox corner shields in. So just before I put these corner shields in, this is the company that we ordered them from. They do have their website address on the back and everything, and their Facebook accounts and everything, so you can have a look on there. I say they do all sorts of pigeon supplies. That's where we got these corner shields from. So I'm just going to start getting these shields in. Start with these at the bottom first. Yes, I know, baby. So this one's got 2 eggs down here. There we go. So they just slot in like that. Just helps keep everything tidy, so any mess, it's just simple to just slide it straight back out, clean it down, and it makes it all nice and tidy for them. Just move on to this next one. Good baby. Good boy. They're coming behind you. That's it. So again there, and then just keeps them all nice and tidy. Again, obviously went with the blue theme, just because it's what we do. Everything's got to be blue. Come here, boy. And so we've got... can I get in there, sweetheart? Good boy. Good boy. That's it. I'll get back on that egg in a minute. This one up here, she had one infertile egg, because we put a little torch underneath it and lit it up and it was empty, so she's just sitting 1 egg. Maybe just move your dish forward, sweetheart. I know. All right, baby. All right, baby. But this one here is the 2nd egg that was laid, and that's due to hatch within the next. It's due to chip off tomorrow. Well, that's 18th day anyway. So let's get this last one in. This one here, this is the nest for our the one that we had a video on saying that she was egg bound. She didn't have any eggs, so we gave her a job of looking after one of the other hen's eggs, because she was very, very broody, bless her. Come on, push it back there, that's it. Good baby. So there we go. All of them got their corner shields in. So that's just going to keep everything nice and smart and tidy. So I hope you enjoyed that. Tomorrow I'll do you a bit of an update on these. Hopefully this one should be chipping off, fingers crossed. So do a bit of an update on those. And so thanks for watching.